Are you happy with how it's going so far?
Oh
today?
yes, it's nice, isn't it? It's lovely weather,
It's a lovely
plenty
day.
of people around.
Lots of smiling faces I'm seeing.
Yes, I saw them even from inside my puppet.
And the people in the cars seem happy enough to wait.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's the seaside, isn't it?
They've no choice.
Oh, it's good.
You enjoyed it?
Enjoyed
Yeah.
it.
Hot.
Yeah, hot.
How are you doing right now?
But no, it's good.
Good.
It's good fun.
People seem to like it. People seem to be enjoying it.
How does it compare with last year? Does it seem the same?
I think it's. I seem to be getting people seem to be quite interested and more.
I think it's good weather, isn't it?
Well,
and there's a lot of smiling faces and and money going into the boxes.
Oh, good.
As well.
Good.
Good. Well done, anyway. What do you think of it? Have you enjoyed it?
Yes.
Good experience?
Yes, it's fun.
Good, good. Thanks for joining in. It's good weather, which is helping.
It is, it's wonderful.
People seem happy.
It's wonderful. People do seem happy, yes.
Summer's
It's nice to see people out before the winter draws in.
I would say summer's come back today, I think.
It has, summer has come back, yeah.
Feathered into the sailing, into the wind. Chinese dragon.
5 or 6. Oh yeah.
And relax. Well done. Well done, everybody.
That was amazing.